A good profile on the EIT Climate-KIC Investor Marketplace can kickstart relevant investor conversations. So what makes a good profile? First, be clear and concise. Investors skim read, so keep your summary short and stick to the word count. Don't over-elaborate, but describe the main idea of your business in a few lines. 2. Be concrete. Use numbers to illustrate the investment opportunity. Demonstrate clear knowledge about your product or service and the market you are operating in. 3. Sell and convince. Present a clear problem that's specific to your industry and explain how and why you can make a difference. In the end, investors need to believe in what you are doing and that you are the right team to deliver. 4. Study the examples. We will send you appropriate examples to support you in shaping your profile. 5. Keep it current. At the start, your profile quality rating will be a 10. After 3 months with no updates, your rating will start dropping 1 point per month. You'll be notified when this happens. Once your rating drops below 6, you will, by default, no longer be on the listing. This way, we keep a clean and interesting marketplace with high-quality profiles only. Finally, we encourage working with your local accelerator lead to create a profile that makes the right impression.